Hello, fine and beautiful people. What's up with you guys? Good morning. It's a beautiful, wonderful Sunday on our side. Mamka fiti, as you can see, mamka vizuri. This is one of the normal Sundays in my life, and I want you to spend a day with me. Before we proceed to tuendelee na siku, I want to Ooh, my cat is distracting me. I want to leave a blessing to all of you that may you prosper in everything that you do. Yeah, may you prosper in everything that you do. Sunday, amazing. Oh my God! Wow! So spend a day with me as I go out and do what I do in some of my Sundays. Ile siku sijaenda church. Huwa naenda kanisa. I'm a church girl, if I can say that. So spend a day with me to go and shoot some videos, create more content for you guys. This is my YouTube channel. I'm not a fan of doing these things. I've not been doing this thing. Sasa tunajaribu. Hii ni mwendo safari mpya tumeanza. And expect more from this side. I know, nimeamka tu sai like 20 minutes ago. 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. But so here we are now preparing our room to work. Okay, let's get ready.
Get ready. I want you to jog. Get ready.
Yeah, this is my room. Where I sleep. Tonight, she's preparing the bed. Okay, prepare the bed. Come on. Eka hiyo nini? Don't do what? Hiyo kitambaa. Ten. This is my room. To prepare to bed.
I came to visit her, by the way.
You what now?
I came to visit you.
Well, this is my house. How do you like the stay? Unataka kurudi Egerton? Takurudi Egerton. Takurudi Egerton. Masabu utaki kuacha hii kitanda.
Sisikii baridi madam, nasikia joto tupu. Sababu ya nini? Raha.
Okay. Hapo ndo mimi ulala peke yangu. Alafu ananitembeleanga once in a while. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, prepare the bed.
Don't record me.
I'm recording. That's why I'm recording. Are you done?
Yeah.
Are you done? We go and take a shower. Okay.
A few moments later.
So guys, nataka kwenda kufanya facial. Facial time. Facial. Yeah. That's lazima ni maintain. This is my real face now. My real face. Since bado see the ice cubes about whatever those celebrities do, I'll do what I have now. Do facial with me. This other side that not enough lights. Do facial with me. This one. So and then the Garnier Skin Active Pure Active 3-in-1 Clay. And then after that, I do this. And then after that, I do sina mambo mengi. This one. Yeah. Wash hizo vyombo kwanza. Do facial with me now. Facial with me.
Hapana jaribu. Tafadhali, tafadhali.
Unapaka nini kwa baby? Look nice too. You look more beautiful today. What's your special secret? You like my pick-up outfit?
Yeah.
For you?
Yeah.
I knew you love it. You definitely love it.
Why are you speaking English?
Tunaongeaga English. Hatuongeagi English. Tunaongeaga. We don't, so you mean to say you don't talk English together in this house?
We speak Punjabi. You look nice.
Hey yo, up there.
It's not nice like that.
I will open. I will open it. May go take
Not wearing a sweater.
No, but I'm carrying the. Yep, na bebe ya pati pesa.
Mimi ndo utaniacha nizungumze lolote.
Kai, baby imefunguka. So, ni gani? Unazungusha alafu na kadogo unaingiza hapa.
Kweli nimekwambia tu.
Imefunguka peke yake.
Ndio kweli.
Shit, one of my locks.
Lazima uongee na English.
Lock yangu imefunguka.
Special
kazi wafunga vizuri.
kama ni kuachia ukitengeneze.
No. Of all the time. Kuna liniingiza. Sasa itashinda ikitokaga.
Wangekuchomea basi.
We.
Sasa you get ready for that. Kwa inatoka.
Unajua una nyingi mafuta unamwaga. Una sasa hizi mafuta. Unakuwa careless nayo. My love. Nimetoka aje? Hata hizi chumvi yangu mwili. Ndio sawa? Umeingiza?
Niko sawa.
Nikaona nafanya hivi. Good. Fixed. Job lazima. So the time. It's not a bit.
One eternity later.
So guys, this is our final. Let's show them the film. Azunguke tena pale. Boom. This is our final outfit.
Mbali inaonekana uko mtao. Hata hujazoom.
Nimezoom.
Hujazoom. Hiyo wali unakaa vipi?
Hatuna ni hata.
Just like that. Ungeka tu ikionyesha au.
Acha. It's already 1 p.m. but we're supposed to be in town at around 12 p.m. as per agreed. But who is me? Kuchelewa ni lazima. Kawaida ya Mkenya. Lazima nichelewe kidogo.
Tusikize wewe na mama akiangalia nyuma bwana.
Alafu sijui shida watu kwa nini. This guy with mkokoteni is something else. Anyway, tutembee sasa tumeshafika tao. I'm around the streets at Glanis. Looking left and right before crossing the road. Safety lazima. Footsteps pale. Zambiliki Mkora. Najua ya Nakuru leo imeniwakia. Sijui tunaulizana nini nayo. Anyway, as you can see us, we are about to reach our destination. Alafu, look at that girl behind me. Alichoka. Pretty as she is. Hawezi atatembea haraka. Anyway, I like her walking style when she is wearing heels. Look at her. Huyu naye ni mali. Anyway, grafa. Ndo grafa wangu.
Chukulia.
Signature greet. Sasa.
Was good. Tukua nusu. Was good.
Tuko side.
Oh. Tukua show.
Didn't spend a day. Shika mama. Record.
Oh, you are record.
Vlogster. Are you feeling? Sinizo short. Zinakuwa monetized.
So nafaa kuongea admission whatever. Mbona tedi?
Fresh haircut. Ya sorry.
Hata ndio huyu. Nimeweka nilimwambia tu.
Mbona setting?
Ndio nimeambilia mtu apema sana hizi stuff. YouTube ndio chelewesha.
Mbona na vlog?
Kwanza kwa nyumba ni nini wake up with me hizo stories za kujet ready.
What's my outfit today?
Hata sikufanya hiyo. Mimi ni matunguo.
Wow.
It's a beginning. Nimekuweka.
Sema anapigia seti. Namjua asipendi na seti. Hadi kama kusahau.
Yeye hapo anaitwa hivyo.
Nilikusikia last time huko. Namjua
Wapi?
na kuna kama gani.
Gomez, thank you.
Ako nayo.
Uko chini, uko juu hapo juu.
Ile kwa.
Thank you. huku ni Nakuru. Na hawa ni Nakuru TikTokers. As you can see, we are gathered here, but not really in large numbers. Well, we are still coming. Not that bad. The crowd is not that bad. Anyway, tulifika site. We are shooting despite the breaks due to rain. But shout out to any TikToker that you're seeing here.
Oh my God! Wow!
Kai, mama kuna towel. Nimerudi kwa nyumba sasa. And that's the handover. Yo, so guys, now we are back home since 10 a.m. in the morning. Ndio tunarudi kwa nyumba sasa. My day has been amazing apart from too much rain. It has been raining today. Leo imenyesha tu sana. Sana ndio nimerudi kwa nyumba sasa. From creating content for you guys. So we have come to an end of our spend a day with me. Sunday best. Ndio nilikuwa na kando kana kafi kama mbaya. Content imekuwa fine. Content imekuwa fine. Let's wait for niwapostie pale TikTok. Thank you. Nimechoka. Wala nimechoka. It has been a tiresome day, man. Zakula sawa. So don't leave without subscribing, man. Don't leave without subscribing. Click on that button. Subscribe to this channel and share, like, and comment. You share. They do share, mama. Wana share ringi. Bado Instagram pia at Instagram, YouTube bado you can share. In case you're wondering, she's cooking. Alifika hadi akaoga. Alifika vitu nimefika saa hii. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah. Bye-bye.